So, how is everybody doing? We're okay. Our power is going off and on, and I'm not sure. I called the light company, and then the light company had just said that it's not just Red Shirt, but it's also Hermosa, Fairburn, Buffalo Gap, Rapid City, and Hermosa in this area. And I've messaged some people that live in Pine Ridge and Kyle, more towards that way, and their power is still on, so I think it is just this area. But yeah, that's the update, is we are without power. And it's like ever since like the power went off, I just completely forgot about being sick, even though I am so sick. Oh my gosh, I just like it just went away for a little bit, I guess, and I can't think about that right now because I'm just worried about, we only have about an hour and a half left of daylight. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and make this video. And then I thought we had a few candles, but I gotta find them. I don't know. Remember where we had them last time we had a power outage. But just want to let you guys know everything on the situation. I'm in I'm in the back bedroom, where this window right here last year is the one that this same blizzard that's happening right now. Last year the blizzard blew these windows out, are in, and so they were just like broke off of the hinges. And then there was snow all over this. I had a table right here, and there was snow all over it. I have my jacket on in here because it's freezing. I have a board currently on this window, but yeah, the air still comes through. I haven't put plastic on this window. The plastic that I did have, I put it on the 4 windows that I have in the living room. I have 3 windows in the living room, and then I have a window in the kitchen that I put a yoga mat on. And they're all boarded up, but I mean, you know, air still gets through, so I put the plastic on the inside, and yeah, it's helped a little bit. Otherwise, let me see, I was going to do a story time with you guys, but now I'm just like, I don't know, like we're without power. But for some reason, like honestly, I wish, I mean, now is not the perfect time for anybody to be without power because it's a blizzard and we can't even drive if we wanted to. I mean, maybe if you have a truck, you can drive someplace. But yeah, I don't have a truck. I just have a car. And I was thinking, I have a relative that lives in Rapid City, and I was thinking, well, if this power outage is more than today, if it's more than 2 days, I'm gonna freak out because I don't know, it's just crazy to be without power and to have it not be your fault, like you didn't pay your bill or something, but to have it be like it's down someplace where it's on the other end, it's the light companies. It's not even their fault either. It's just freaking weather. It's the weather that's making it like this and making it bad for everybody. I have a Facebook account under App Cisca202, and I put a status out there for anybody that's in my community, because nobody down here has stoves except me and 2 other people that has a wood stove. So, and there's a lot of kids down here. So then I just put on my Facebook, you guys are welcome to come up here to the trailer because I have a wood stove and it'll be warm for everybody. But so far nobody's came, so I don't know who's seen it or what, but I'm just worried about all of the kids and the outers. There's a lot of outers that live up on top. And it'd be very hard to get to them because they live way off-road. Unless we have a truck or something. And then we can get to them and bring them to safety. Well, bring them to where it's warm. And, anyways. I'm just thinking out loud. I was looking at my neighbors to see who's all leaving and who's staying. Oh, my throat hurts so bad. I'm warming up some water right now on the stove so I can make some tea. I wish this wasn't happening right now. Because the only people that are really suffering are the people that need, like the kids, the outers, and the people that need electric for their oxygen machines, or, all of that stuff. So, yeah, let's just pray for them. Pray for everybody that they get the help that they need. I'm just looking out the window at the freaking snow, I really wish the best for everybody right now. I'm so freaking sick. Now it's starting to. Probably because I'm in here and it's cold in here, but this is the room that has the most light right now. Damn. We're seriously gonna be without electricity tonight, you guys. At least we'll be warm though, because we have the wood stove. But yeah, I'm just thinking, oh my goodness. And then to think all the people that live here in the community, they're also without power, and they don't even have a wood stove. And there's no way that you can drive in this. I mean, if I had to, I would freaking chance, and I would drive. But you hear it? You hear how windy it is? It's bad. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna leave my my PayPal link in the description. If you can help out, I appreciate that, because most likely it would go to a motel room where we can shower and it's snowing right now. But yeah, that's for it. Cause it's freaking crazy. I wish I had a helicopter. I would definitely pick up all the people, all the outers that need help, and get them to safety. So I was gonna close out the video, but I was gonna tell you guys about last year. Whenever we had the water crisis, well, I was talking to some of the people, and they had told me that the water crisis, like, the people that lived here, they were just like, yeah, this isn't nothing, like, at least we have power. Because the year before, I guess they were without power for 8 days, and the tribe or nobody didn't help at all. And I thought, what? The tribe didn't help, nobody came down here to help. And that is just shocking to me, because, you know, everybody's like so like wealthy in all of these big cities, and then we're struggling because we choose to live on a reservation, and we're Native Americans. But still, like, I wish there was like a line that you can connect to people that want to help people, and then be like, and then all you gotta do is connect to that line, and then the people that need help connects. In a time like this where there's no power, can connect, and then the other wealthy people on the other end can come and just pull all the people that are hurting, all the people that are having a hard time, pull them out of that situation, and then just take them to safety. That'd be so awesome. But yeah, I was just thinking about last year when that lady told me that they went without 8 days. They went without electricity for 8 days. I mean, when I was a kid, like, from like 4 years old to 8 years old, we didn't have electricity. No, 4 to 7 years old, we didn't have electricity. So I know how that is. And I know that it's you know, like, back then I thought everybody lived like us. I thought everybody didn't have electricity, and that was just life for everybody. But apparently, little did I know, everybody had electricity but us. So I was thinking about that, and I'm just like, well, we'll be okay, I guess. But there's so much people that need electricity for their medical problems and stuff. So yeah, just keep us in your prayers that this is just a one-day thing, and that the power goes on tomorrow. So yeah, alright, you guys, Doksha.